Finally! Elizabeth's first Christmas. Here she is with her first present. Daddy's cute cookie. She's having a little bit of trouble getting into the present. Just a little bit of trouble. So she's kind of just walking around in a circle with it. Oh, she might be giving up on that one, going for another one. Yep. Oh, nope, she's back to this one now. No, now she's going for the pile.
You want some help? You want some help? Let's get into this gift, huh?
Yeah, Mommy's going to help her out. Ellie's first Christmas present on Christmas.
Look.
Fascinated by the wrapping paper, of course. We may be here for a few days.
Look, pull this. God bless you. God bless you. Give me your gift.
Oh, she's easily distracted by her big pile of presents. Oh my goodness, it's a push and crawl lion.
What do you think? Does that look fun? Yay! It's still in the box, baby girl. I'll get it. Hold on. I'll get it. Hold on.
She wants at it.
Yikes, how do you undo those? Oh.
Mommy's having trouble with the childproofing. There it goes.
You like it?
What do you think, Ellie? Your first Christmas present?
Good girl.
It's the back of her head. There's that side, Mommy.
Want to get it? Good girl. Yeah, I see your toy. That's right, it rolls. I think that toy's a success, Dad.
Let's open another toy, Ellie. Or another present. They might not be toys. They might not all be toys. We don't know what they are. You want to open that one? Let me take your lion. Want to open this one? Look. Let's open this one. No, I like the lion. See, we only need to buy her one present. Ellie. Ellie, look. Ellie, let's open this one.
Look at Daddy.
Let's open this one. What's in here? What's in here?
Oh, she was helping little.
Look at that. Look at those balls. Open them up? Think we should open them up?
Probably do another gift and then open them, huh? What do you think, Ellie? You like them?
Oh my goodness, it's another gift for Ellie. It's another gift for Ellie. That wouldn't wrap very well. It's kind of not even covering the thing.
Well, she won't know. I figured it would give her something to open up.
Ellie. Boop.
Help Daddy, Ellie.
Help me out. Rip it up. Help me out. Help me out. Good job.
Oh, good girl. What do you think?
Pull it open. We're not on the book yet, Ellie.
We already read the
We
book.
read the book last night.
The very first Christmas, we read that to her.
Wow, look at this guy. Huh? Watch this. Let's pull the lever. Pull the lever. Boing, boing, boing. Let's pull the lever.
Yeah, you love that song, don't you?
This is a sophisticated toy because it's for 18 months and above. Now he's about to be 8 months and she can play with it. How cool is this game?
Ellie, what goes moo?
Moo.
Moo moo cows. Moo. Yeah, we like that one?